Hi there! What's up, Momshies and friends? Welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, we are going to make a DIY handmade chocolate box perfect for all occasions. Specifically, this coming Valentines, this would definitely be a great gift idea for your loved ones, especially when it comes with a box showing high-end, elegant, and super cool design like this one. Welcome to Setinya to buy a custom-made for your own design. So if you're ready, we're super excited to make our own chocolate. Then let's get started! Los geets!
Prepare a double broiler by heating up 1 inch of water in low to medium heat. Make sure the bottom of the bowl won't touch the water to avoid burning of the chocolate. Prepare your white chocolate by following this order. When the cream is warm enough, add the chocolate bars and the drops. Stir well until blended and melted. Now we're ready to put our mixture in the chocolate molds. Chill it for an hour for better results. Prepare the chocolate and spices just as the same as our first recipe, but this time, put the spices before the chocolate. Use butter instead of cream to maintain the dark chocolate percentage in this recipe. Grate the lemon zest and orange peel. Finally, ready our box. The box comes with stronghold plastic for our chocolate pralines.
Ito yung favorite ko. Napakasarap. Cardamom ink, ginger, and cinnamon. Sarap! Yung sarap! Panalo! Sarap!
The elegant box is definitely made of high quality materials. As you can see, it's really hard and sturdy. It also comes with a see-through plastic, a hardcover golden plastic to secure your chocolates, and an elegant ribbon for your design. Now we're ready to send our chocolate gift box. To buy your own chocolate boxes from Setinya, just check the description box below. If you love videos like this and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!